Schedule release dates. Once instructors create an assignment shell where they'd like to schedule release dates of comments and grades, navigate to the gradebook from the left-hand navigation menu options. Locate that particular assignment shell. Place the cursor on the assignment title, click on the three dots, and click on Grade Posting Policy. A display panel will appear from the right side of the screen. Scroll down and select Schedule Release Dates. Scroll down further and two options appear. Release options for grades and comments together or separate schedules. A reminder that comments must be released before grades. However, grades and comments can be released together or separately. This feature requires a grade to be entered and manually releasing grades before the schedule release time takes precedence. So keep this in mind when creating assignment shells. Selecting separate schedules and selecting a comment release date to occur before the grade release date. Click on the caret within the field for release time. Then select the grade release date and release time. Scroll down and select Save. Now navigating into SpeedGrader with the schedule release date and adding comments to this student submission. And entering a grade in the assessment box. Scrolling down and selecting Submit for the assignment comments. Now let's say the release comment day and time have passed. Navigating to a student gradebook view and scrolling down to this particular assignment, it's visible to the student that a comment has been left, yet the grade is still hidden, hence the I with the slash icon. Please navigate to gocanvas.stanford.edu to view the How Students Access Feedback video tutorial. There are tutorials for assignments, SpeedGrader, and the gradebook. For questions, please submit a ticket to Canvas Help at stanford.edu.